Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex, Trading for Beginners. And for those people who know me, yes, this is a bit of a Hawaiian shirt, but for those people who know me, it's all about changing lives. Today I'm going to do a brief setup for the week ahead using different types of chart setups so you can have a look at. Just something to look at. Here we go. And for those people that are ready to get involved, they want to just get it done and start trading live in a live trading community, simply send me a message. It's Jeff here. Here we go. I'm going in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've got two screen setups here. This one here and this one. I'm hiding everything, ladies and gentlemen, for a purpose. Okay, here we go. For this one here, I'm focusing gold and some indices. So I'm in a 4-hour chart here, ladies and gentlemen, for gold. So this is what's happened over the last period. This is what's happened. Yeah, this is what's happened. As you can quite rightly see there, what a big downturn. A big downturn. Yep. And have a look at this chart here. Shows the exact same thing. Yep. Something called bearish divergence. And what happened at that point? Let me measure how much that dropped. I went all the way down, nearly 600 pips. Here we go. Now, well, I'm going to show you something quite special, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you something quite special. Not that one there. This one here. That's the one. Now, over here. Where am I going here? I'll put that there. Where am I here? Okay. So what we're going to do, we're on a 4-hour time frame, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to look at gold. Yep. Let's see something called a ball in Japan. Very simple. Right? Very simple. Put this out of the way. We'll go from green to red. This is part of the ninja trading system. We've got this set up. And this is something else I've been testing, back testing. I take it from the 4-hour and take it down to something special I've got called the hyper scalper. It's the hyper scalper, ladies and gentlemen, this setup. Yep. Got it here. You see I've got bear. This point here with this cross over here and this special indicator. And you know these special PSARs, these are actually outside of the normal Bollinger Band. That says to me, Jeff, it's time to make some money. It's a signal for me. Yeah. So what I do is I go down to that time frame when I feel it's safer. I look at the bottom of my screen. It's 26th of December at 1500 hours. Yeah, so I go to the 1 minute. You will not believe this, like, you will not believe this. I could even do 5 minutes, but the 26th of December, January at 1500. Here we go. The 26th at 1500. Here we go. Yeah. Now, that's going to give me something, but that's only 1 minute. So this is, now, we have to wait for the pullback. Now, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Because it went down to 1 minute today, so we'll wait for this pullback to appear. We notice this one here has been going up, and this is actually the outside. These PSARs are outside. We got this bearish divergence. I get excited. This is coming in. It's going into the red zone. It hits this point here. We get the ninja down, and it just drops like a stone, ladies and gentlemen. It drops like a stone. Now let's look at risk to reward. Let's take it in that candle there. Yeah, where would I put my ninjacator? Stop loss. Well, put it above there. And you put it above there, put it above there. Just leave it at the top there and just see what happens. Now, this is us on the 1 minute time frame. Now, some people who are actually trading with us are looking to get funded account. Now, that just, I'd probably get out there or there, ladies and gentlemen. That's 3%. 1 minute time frame. It carries on, ladies and gentlemen. It carries on. For a lot of funded accounts, you need 10%, like FTMO. Yep. You then get another option there. But let's see, we'll go make a cup of tea. We'll go make a cup of tea. And then we get this one here. This one is a little bit, I'm not really feeling the love with this one. I'm not really feeling the love for this one. But let's take it anyway. Let's take that one anyway. So it popped in the red area, got that there, enter there. I can put this at the PSAR or above the top, just like I did there. And this comes down at 1.1%, and then it comes back and forward, back and forward. I'd probably break just about 0.5% there. Yep. So we're only taking sell, ladies and gentlemen. We're only taking sells because 4 hours bearish divergence. Now that's just technical stuff. But what it basically means is we only take sells going down. And look at this, it goes all the way down. It's now 3.5%. 3%. And that one there, let's add that and that together. 3 and 3.5. That's 6.5%. And remember, we're only taking sales. Tea, we're going for a cup of tea, having some lunch, whatever it may be. That there, coming down, pop us on the other side of that. Let's enter that trade, the other side of there. And you notice so far, ladies and gentlemen, everyone's a winner. It's another 1%. 6.5 and 1%, 7.5%. Here we go. This one was very interesting. We could have been stopped out, depends on if we actually let it go all the way. So let's see, we lost that 1%. So 6.5, 1 minus 1 is 5.5%. Same day, same morning, afternoon, wherever you are around the world. Take that one there on that line. Take this above this here. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So at 5.5% to pass the FTMO. All we need is 4.5%. Boom, we just smashed it, ladies and gentlemen. 10% and only a few hours. So who do you know? Who do you know would like to learn to trade like Jet? That's me. Who do you know would like to take advantage of these opportunities come on a regular daily basis? As part of the Ninja trading system, we have these tools, we have the software, we have the technology. Not only for gold, for the Dow Jones, the NAS, Standard & Poor's, we have it for crypto. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we have it for crypto. We'll have it for traditional Forex. Let me just show you on crypto, ladies and gentlemen, because I know people won't believe this. They won't actually believe the technology we've got here when I show them this. 4 hour time frame, here we go. Look for bearish divergence. Oh, if you don't understand what that means, as soon as that hits there, boom, straight down. Let's just see this here. Let's measure this, ladies and gentlemen. Can anybody count that number down here, this number? So what I'm going to do on that point there, the 21st of January at midnight, I'm going to go down to the 1 minute, and I'm just going to show you how easy this is to do using the Trade Like Jet, part of the Ninja trading system. Trading on the 1 minute with Bitcoin, gold, indices, Forex. Anything, even futures if you want, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, went the right way or the wrong way? Went the wrong way, I think. Yeah, went the wrong way. Yeah. Let the tools do all the work. Let's our software that we're packaged on top of this the technology, let that do all the heavy lifting. Now, we know many people here are quite new, even beginners. You might not understand much of this. But think of it. Can you match colours? Anytime you see a red, you're looking for the price to come down, just like this. Yep. Anytime you see a green, you're looking for the price to go up. Nearly there, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the line. Yeah. So like I said before, I wait for the pullback. There's a pullback. Means it goes the opposite direction of what I want. I let it do its thing. I let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Yeah. It comes below that there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. We've got potential entry here. But rather than enter, which I could enter there, I wait for the pullback. And just on this line here, where it's that little special ninja, boom, I get in right there. Because there's my peace hours right there. So what do you see this? Same as before. This is Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the risk to reward. If you don't know how to count pips in it, let's just look at the risk to reward. So this just keeps dropping, ladies and gentlemen. This is miraculous. We're at 4% already and dropping. Now, how much do you think you get in a bank per year? 0.5%? I currently am up nearly 9% in a few minutes. That's about 20 minutes so far. And it keeps coming down. 13%, nearly 14% it's come. There you go. So let's call it 14%, ladies. 14%. And let's call it an hour. Would you be disappointed with that growth? Now, those people who understand a little bit about trading, those people who understand about getting a funded account, I've just showed you with a simple strategy. Using our technology, you too can take advantage of this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's just an oversight of what we've got. Next week, for our private members, yes, it is paid for, they're private members, we're going to have a system called Get It Done. So we take people, whether they've traded it or not before, all the way through, show them a strategy, a winning strategy, show them one that's successful already with funded accounts. If that's you, if you like the idea of trading with other people's money, so it's virtually risk-free, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to contact. I encourage you to say, Jeff, let's get it done. Let's do it together. And I'll see you, guess where? At the top. Have a great day. Bye for now.